it's Gina from WTI. I love anything that makes my get ready routine simpler. This makeup stick from Boom by Cindy Joseph is one of my favorite things to use. This is the berry colored cheek and lip tint. I use it several times a week and I've had this stick for 9 months and you can see that I've only used half of the tube. I think the color's really pretty, and what's wonderful about this line is that people with any skin tone can use it. It's specifically formulated for mature skin. Now, I'm in my mid-40s and I love using it. I think really people of any age can use it. And I love that it's buildable color. So if you just want a little bit of a blush to your cheek, you can add a little bit on. Or if I'm needing more, I can add to that. And I love carrying it in my purse so that I can freshen my lip color up pretty often. Now, because this is natural, it's going to wear off about halfway through the day. So I just add a little bit more to my skin and it keeps it looking fresh and beautiful. This is such beautiful, versatile makeup. I love that it's in a tube. It makes it so convenient to use, especially on the go, because I put a lot of my makeup on in the car, and that's my point of view.